The Shorter College Health and Wellness Center has created a special video this month to celebrate Black history. We didn't want to miss a chance as part of our educational mission to highlight a few African American pioneers in medicine, especially when there are many with ties to Arkansas and Shorter College. Starting with James McCune Smith. He's the first African American to earn an MD and practice in the United States. He opened what's thought to be the country's first African American owned pharmacy, and he used medicine and science to refute slavery's advocates in his writings. Next, let's talk about Rebecca Crumpler. She became the first female African American MD in 1864 and treated freed slaves after the Civil War and published one of the first medical books written by an African American. Lewis T. Wright has the distinction of graduating fourth in his class at Harvard Medical School. While serving in World War I, he developed the intradermal injection vaccination technique, and in 1948 became the first clinician to study the use of the drug aureomycin in humans. Marilyn Hughes Gatson. She published a study of sickle cell anemia that led to a nationwide test for newborns. Also, the first African American and female director of a public health bureau, that being the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services Bureau of Primary Health Care. Daniel Hale Williams founded Chicago's Provident Hospital, the country's first Black-owned interracial hospital, back in 1891, and performed the first ever successful heart surgery 2 years later. Jocelyn Elders was born Minnie Lee Jones in Shaw, Arkansas, and was later appointed by President Bill Clinton in 1993 as the Surgeon General of the U.S., the first African American and second woman to hold that post. She was known for her frank discussions on views and very controversial issues in the time. The final two doctors we showcase in this video served both the state of Arkansas and us here at Shorter College currently. Starting off with William Rutledge, who retired after 40 years of patient care in Little Rock, but still serves as a member of the faculty at UAMS and Arkansas Baptist College. He's a former member of the Arkansas State Medical Board and currently the medical director at the Shorter College Health and Wellness Center. Finally, Paula Martin Fletcher is a retired orthodontist, but she serves as the health director for Shorter College. She's the first female and first African American orthodontist in the state of Arkansas when she relocated from Washington, D.C. to Little Rock, Arkansas. It is important to maintain vigilance in your fight against COVID-19. This virus is not going away anytime soon, so if you're looking for vaccinations, whether a first time or a booster, please inquire at the Health and Wellness Center. Also, RSV cases are still on the rise, and it is flu and cold season because it is currently winter in Arkansas. All of these viruses can be maintained very easily by maintaining good hand washing health and social distancing when you feel ill. And if you feel ill, make sure you take some time away from other folks and get tested to make sure that you know what it is you may be suffering from. Along with monthly PSA videos, the Shorter Health and Wellness Center also produces a monthly newsletter. This month with highlights on mental health awareness, Heart Health Month, and doing one-handed CPR. If you're not receiving this letter as you're not a part of our staff or our student body, send an inquiry to shorterhealth@shortercollege.edu so we can add you to this list immediately. And if you're a member of our media community or, of course, staff or student body at Shorter College, save our number to connect with us anytime you need to. That number is 501-235-4611. 501-235-4611, or, of course, email us at shorterhealth@shortercollege.edu.